Hey guys, if your Windows 11 PC or laptop is showing a black screen after an update, in this video let's fix this. The first method you can try is on your keyboard you have to press this window key, control key, shift key and this B button. So you have to press all the four keys together. And this will reset your graphic driver. So you can apply this method. You can also check with increasing your laptop brightness. If you are using a desktop computer, first check the display cable or HDMI cable. Make sure it's properly connected on both ends. The next method you can try is open task manager. So for this you have to press this control key, shift key and skip key. So you have to press all the three keys together. So this will open task manager in your system. You can see this kind of screen, task manager. Now you have to restart this service, Windows Explorer. So you have to restart this Windows Explorer service. So right click on it, then click on restart. So restart Windows Explorer and this will fix the issue. If you are still getting the same issue, the next method you can try is open your system in safe mode. So I will show you how to do this. First, you have to shut down your laptop or computer completely. So for this, you have to press and hold this power button. So press and hold this power button to shut down your laptop. After that, press the power button again to switch on your laptop. So press the power button again to switch on your laptop. Now you have to wait for the Windows logo. So wait for the Windows logo. Now you can see. Now you have to press and hold this power button again to shut down your laptop completely. So press and hold the power button. Now you have to again switch on your laptop. So press this power button again to switch on your laptop. So this is the option we need, preparing automatic repair. So repeat this process up to 3 times. Some computers will open the recovery screen right away, while others may need 2 or 3 attempts. If you see this kind of error, your device ran into a problem. In that case, you need to just press the enter key. So press the enter key on your keyboard and you will see this kind of screen, recovery options. Okay. Now you have to click on this troubleshoot option. So click on troubleshoot. So these are the options you will see. Click on troubleshoot, then click on this option advanced option. Now click on this option startup settings, click on it. Then click on restart. In this startup settings, you will see these kind of options. Now you have to press F4 function key on your keyboard. So press F4 function key. Now your system will open in safe mode. After login in safe mode, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. In this device manager, click on this option display adapters, expand this option. After that, right click on your display adapter, then click on properties, then click on the second tab driver. If this option is available, roll back driver, so you can use this option. So this will roll back to the previously installed driver, so you can use this option as well. But if this option is not available, click on this option uninstall device, click on it, then click on uninstall. After that, cut this window and restart your system. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method you can try. Again, open this window, then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Then click on this option uninstall updates, click on it. You will see these two options. The first one is uninstall latest quality update and the second one is uninstall latest feature update. So you have to uninstall both the updates one by one. First, click on the first one, then click on this option uninstall. Click on close. Then again do the same thing, go to troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Then click on uninstall updates. Then click on this second option, uninstall latest feature update. Click on it. Click on uninstall. Click on close. After that, click on this option, continue. But if you are still getting the same issue, open this window again. then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, then click on this option startup repair. So this will repair your startup files. So click on this option startup repair. If you see this kind of error, startup repair could not repair your PC, then click on this option advanced option. Click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option, then click on this option command prompt. Now you have to type a few commands to repair Windows corrupted files. So the first command will be type this command, then press enter, and this command will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. So the verification process has been completed. Now you have to type one more command. Type this command carefully, then press enter, and after completing both the commands, cut this window, and after that click on this continue. So these are the few methods you can try to fix this issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.